Hey shoppers, today we have a wardrobe. So this is a walnut color. It does come in a variety of colors like black, white, there's a lighter brown color. It has these woven doors, which I wasn't sure what to expect, but when I got it, I was really impressed with the quality. So it's wood woven together and there's two doors. There is a magnet right here, so it magnetically closes, as you can see. And we use this in our bonus room, and my kid puts his jackets and sweaters in there. But this would be nice for a bedroom, a guest room. Say you have an office that you have guests come in and you don't have a closet in that office space. This would be a great alternative for a closet. So nice size. You can see it holds a good amount. You do put it together yourself, and so the magnet is up here and here. It has drawers. So notice the drawers glide nice. There are two of them, so we have like bathing suit shorts in here, but you can put socks, undergarments, pants, shorts, things like that. It looks really nice, fairly easy to put together. It doesn't take up too much space, but it holds a lot. In this video, you can see this laid out. So this is how they come. You do assemble this yourself. So I unboxed everything and laid it out on the floor so that you can know exactly what to expect when you order it. You install the doors, the hinges, the screws, the wheels, the gliders for the wheels. It does have a manual with picture step-by-step instructions, so it does make it pretty easy to put together. As long as you can read the instructions, you can put it together. You can see now we're installing the bracket for the pole. Then you attach the walls, the drawers, the doors. Very easy, and it does come together nicely. Like I said, it is easy to put together. There's just a lot of steps. You can see us gliding the drawers in now. The metal brackets make it easy to glide in and out. And look at how nice it looks. And here now we have it all put together. Doesn't this look awesome, you guys? This looks so good. My son's going to put his extra clothes in there. It's really nice and aesthetic on the eyes and really helps with those extra jackets. This is a close-up view of the magnetic bracket that holds the doors closed. Works really well. There's a top and bottom. Here's the hanging rack, so it is removable. Say you don't want to hang clothes and you want to just stack shoe boxes in there, you can do that